What if I told you that the secret to staying broke isn't about how much you earn, but what you're wasting it on? The truth is, there are hidden money traps that people that are poor fall into every single day. Things that rich people wouldn't dare to touch with their wallet. From high interest debt to gambling away hard earned cash. These habits could be keeping you stuck in a financial cycle you can't break out of. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will uncover the 11 biggest money wasters and how to avoid them like the wealthy do. Let's dive in. But first, this is Powerful Money Habits. I'm your host, Dr. Stephanie Aldrich, and I like to talk about money and habits that can help improve your life. If you're new to the channel and like the video, please hit the subscribe button down below and stay till the end so you can see what traps you need to start avoiding to reach your financial goals. So let's get started. The first one is pretty obvious. It's credit card debt. Poor people often rely on credit cards to fund their lifestyle, leading to high interest debt. The average credit card interest rate is over 20%. I think it's like 26 is the average or more, which eats into their income. Rich people avoid this trap by only spending money that they have, and they also pay off their balances in full each month. For me, I don't even have a personal credit card. I have a business card and that's it. I use my debit card. That way I don't get myself into problems. Number 2, a bling bling and glam stuff. Spending on flashy jewelry, designer clothes, or luxury items to impress others is pretty common. Rich people understand that real wealth doesn't require validation. They value assets that pay them every month over appearances. The next one is impulse purchases. Poor people often buy things on a whim, leading to financial leaks. Rich people practice mindful spending, only buying what aligns with their goals or needs. They avoid the dopamine hit of impulse shopping. Number 4, eating out. Dining out regularly is convenience, but nowadays it is so expensive. A $15 meal can cost $450 per month if you're eating out every single day. Rich people prioritize meal prepping or dining out as a treat rather than a habit. Number 5, health. And what I'm talking about is avoiding the dentist or the doctor. Neglecting regular health checkups to save money often results in bigger expenses later. Rich people invest in preventative care because they understand health is wealth. Catching problems early avoids catastrophic costs. And me being a dentist, I can totally affirm to that suggestion because people will come in that I haven't seen for 5 to 6 years, and all of a sudden I'm getting their money, man. They got lots of stuff to do and it's costing them thousands and thousands of dollars, and not all of it is covered by insurance. If they would have came early and came more often and consistent, their problems could have been solved a little bit at a time and when it was a lot less expensive. Number 6, games and entertainment. Poor people may spend excessive time and money on video games, streaming services, or other forms of entertainment, neglecting productive activities. Rich people focus on investing in themselves and they limit their distractions. Number 7, tech. Getting the latest gadgets every single year. Upgrading to the latest phone or gadget yearly is a costly habit. So, for example, a $1,000 iPhone every year really can add up, and especially if you're doing a payment plan and you're paying the big companies every single month. They tack on interest to that. Rich people maximize the value of tech by upgrading only when necessary. If it's broken or if it doesn't work, that's when you should buy it. Number 8, gambling and lottery tickets. America spend how much? How much do you think they spend? $17 billion every year on lotteries. What they're hoping to is, hey, maybe I'll get lucky and get rich quickly. That's around $50 per person. Rich people avoid gambling because they understand that the odds are stacked against them and prefer to invest their money in things that they know will grow up in value. Number 9, smoking and vaping. Smoking and vaping are expensive habits. At $8 per pack or more, smoking one pack daily adds up to nearly $3,000 a year. Rich people prioritize their health and savings over costly addictions. Number 10, taxes. This includes all earned income. Poor people often rely solely on earned income and usually just one job, which is taxed the most in our progressive tax system. Rich people leverage tax-advantaged strategies like investments, real estate, and business ownership to reduce their tax burdens. The IRS code tells you what to do. All you gotta do is follow what the rich people do. And the final one is number 11. They look rich. Using their money, trying to appear wealthy. They might do designer clothes, luxury cars, or fancy watches. Rich people focus on building real wealth rather than looking rich. They understand that appearances don't build financial security or pay them every month, right? So there you have it. The 11 things that poor people waste their money on that rich people don't. These habits aren't just draining your wallet, they're robbing you of your future wealth and financial freedom. The good news is that every single one of these traps can be avoided with the right mindset and discipline. Start paying attention to where your money goes. Only invest in things that grow your wealth and prioritize the value over appearances. Remember, building wealth isn't about luck. It's about making smarter choices every single day. So that's it for the show. Thanks for watching. So which one of these things are you going to eliminate? Let me know down in the comments. You can learn more tips and tricks in my free book, Powerful Money Habits, Unleash Financial Freedom. You can get your copy in the description below, powerfulmoneyhabits.com. And you can also, on that website, watch my free masterclass where I helped a couple of students plan out their money goals using my 3-step process. And until next time, this is Powerful Money Habits.